Welcome to this instructional video on original Hunter boss adapters. Within the Hunter range is the cast iron effect boss pipe, which has the original sized boss features. You may find these size boss features on older installations in the field as well. In these instances, you would use the original Hunter sized boss adapters. If you intend to use these with the cast iron effect boss pipe, they come in black as well. To connect the 50mm fitting to the boss adapter, you will need to remove the snap cap and ring. You would then make a standard solvent cement joint as shown in our other videos. The reason this adapter is supplied with the snap cap and ring is because it is a multi-purpose fitting, allowing you to link MUPVC or ABS to polypropylene. For more support, please visit the Learning Centre on the Hunter website.